This video is going to show you how to take recordings that you've done for assemblies, so maybe a Remembrance Day or Christmas assembly, share it to your own stream, make it available to your staff stream so that they can then take it and make it available to their own classes. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually log into office.com, and in our office.com we are going to look for the stream icon or the stream application from here. If you don't see it directly from this list like I do here, click on this application, this all apps icon right here, and you will be able to see it's in alphabetical order down to the stream icon. Once you open up the stream icon, if you are the owner, so if you have uploaded the video to your own stream, you will be able to see this video in the My Content tab. So if you go My Content, then Videos, and it should be located here. So if you don't see it within the first list here, just scroll down and go Show More, and find the video that you created for that particular assembly. Mine is located right here. And you can see right here I have limited sharing access to it. So basically what this means is that it is not available to the specific people that I would like it available to. I'm going to click on the pencil, that is my edit icon, so that I can do some changes and make this available. A couple of things that I want to check right off the bat is make sure that it's the appropriate name. You might want to change this to your school name and the specific type of assembly, so it might be Pinecrest Remembrance Day Assembly. And you may even want to upload a specific thumbnail for that. Over here, this is the important part of the video right here. Right now, this is available, viewable only by me, and if I did record it in a specific channel, it would be available for those people. I want to make it available to a specific group, and the group for me is going to be my school group. So I'm going to type in ST72 because I know that every single school group is prefixed with an ST72, and for me I'm associated with Timberline, so I'm going to type in Timberline, and then I'm going to click on the magnifying glass to do a search for me. I know that I would like to associate it with my Timberline staff group, so I'm going to click OK. And the important thing here is I want to make sure that all the teachers within that staff within the school are owners of it, because once they're owners of it, they can then share it out with other people. Clicking Apply will save those settings. And then what I need to do is I need to actually go in and I need to share this. So I click on the share icon here and I get the URL. I'm going to highlight that URL and click on copy. Now what I'm going to do next is I am going to take this video using the URL, using the link, and I'm going to insert it into my staff team. So I'm going to look for my staff team site. I'm going to click. I'm going to make sure I'm in my general tab and click on the plus sign so that I can add a stream video to here. If you don't see it here, you can always use the search feature up here and type in stream using the magnifying glass, and then the application will show up here. Clicking on stream will allow me to paste the URL in here, and I want to make sure I'm going to change this radio button over to video. I'm going to paste in my URL from there, and here's the important thing is you need to select that this is the actual video that you would like to insert. Once I do that, it automatically changes the tab name. So here, if you renamed your video, the specific type of video, this would be Pinecrest Remembrance Day Assembly, and your tab name would be Pinecrest Remembrance Day Assembly. I am going to keep this check mark checked here because this will enable users to easily access it within the discussion post. Clicking Save then does two things. It adds it to the tab up top here, and in my post screen, it adds it right to here. I can view it from here, or I can view it from here. Now, as a teacher, I have one more step to do in order to make it available to my students within my own class team. I need to access this within here. So here it views it within the team application. However, I need to view it within the Stream application. So clicking on this link up top here opens up Stream for me in my own login window. And what I need to do now is I need to do the exact same thing that my administrator did in order to make it accessible to me. I am going to click on my three dots called ellipses. I'm going to update video details. And within the video details here, I am going to now make sure that my own class team will be able to see this. So I'm going to click on this drop down arrow and I am going to select my groups, and this time what I am going to do is I'm going to search for my own class team. So I'm going to prefix it with a GRP because I know that all the class teams are prefixed with group lettering, and I am going to type in now my own class team site, whatever I've renamed it. Hone Your Craft. There we go. And it is this one right here. I'm going to select that, and this time I do not need to make my students owners. I just need them to have the ability to see it, to display it. So now again I'm going to click Apply, which will save those settings. I can then go in and once again share to access that URL, copy it, go into my class team now, add the stream just like I did just like the administrator did for the school site. I'm selecting the assembly, it renames it. Again, I'm keeping this checked. Students will now easily be able to access this from the tab up top, or if I go over to the post, they will be able to access it from the discussion post. Now, one thing to note, parents will have to use their students' username and login in order to access these videos. These are SD72 Microsoft user logins only. We can never make these stream videos available to the public.